Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-41, the Ball Hitch, for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-41, the Ball Hitch, for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's open up template MMGS. Okay, so let's do front view, sketch. We want to do a circle. We want actually a sphere. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. I think it's got to be closed in. There we go. That's going to be a radius of 25. Then we want feature revolve boss. That's what we want. So we want it's going to be that one. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. It worked. I made myself. Oh, let me get out of there for a minute. Let me go to normal. Sketch. Now we want to do a square. Let me just do there. It's going to be smart dimension. From this point to this one, it's going to be 13. We don't need to do any one because we cut this away. So we just want to cut that away so it's flat bottom. So it doesn't matter. You can always link it up to there, join up there, but it doesn't matter if these measurements are not set because I don't need to set it because it's just cutting away there. So okay, so we are halfway, that's fine. So feature extrude through all, second direction through all, and done. There we go. So now we've got our ball with a flat bottom on it. Now we need to do another cylinder. We need that. Actually, let me go to front plane. There we go. Let's go to edit. On construction line. From there down. That's going to be 29. Oh, come on. Smart. Thank you. 29. There we go. And that's going to be at sketch. We don't need to do anything with that at the moment. Oh, we don't need to do any edit. We want to add a plane to it. One there. There we go. Beautiful. Now we want this plane. Let's do normal 2. Go over here so I know I'm on the right plane. And that's going to be a circle. Yes, it is. It's going to be a circle. Just rotate so I know which way we're going with it. Smart dimension. That is 38 diameter. Beautiful. Feature extrude. Yep, going the right way. Perfect. That's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil and done. Okay, while we're here, might as well just do this other one here. Circle. Do that one. That is going to be 20. Come on, click on. There we go. 20. And that's going to be extrude 25. Oh, no, extrude cut, sorry. Actually out. Extrude. 25. And done. Now we just need to fill up the in-between one. So we want a circle on that one's going to be 20. And circle on that one 28. So let me do this one first. Sketch. in the middle. $28. There we go. Go out of that one. You can't sketch more than one plane per thing. So now we want this one here. Yeah, I can't put a sketch here and a sketch there. I've got to do it differently. Then I'll join it up. That's going to be 20. 20. There we go. Exit out of that one. Now we want the sweep boss. So we've got that one already. Cool. And we want that one. Oh, sorry. Nope. Sorry. That one. My apologies. And then that one. Whoa. Maybe not. What does it do, this one? Oh, hold on. I think I got the wrong one. Add material between two or more profiles to create a solid feature. What? Pretty sure it's the right one. That one. Oh, there we go. That was weird. Why does it twist around like that? There's that one. Perfect. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Let me just hide that one. And we don't need that line anymore. We hide that one. There we go. Save. Okay, so now we got raise of 3. So where are we? Not raise. Yeah, raise 3 for fillet. 3. And okay. Perfect. And probably on there too, actually. Yeah. Okay, let me go back in here. Edit that one. Nope. It's not what. Fillet. Edit that one. Thank you. Add that one. And go for it. There we go. Ooh, nice. Now we just need to add thread on. So that one. Oh, was a thread. So we want M20. Scroll up. Oh, too far. M20, that one. Want start there. Whoa. That was weird. Clear that one. Up to selection. That's what I want. There we go. And done. There we go. That's it done. Actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I like doing these unusual ones. Makes it interesting. There we go. So that is part 1-41 Ball Hitch done. Okay, if you enjoyed that, click the like button. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. I would appreciate it. And any comments and feedback, always welcome. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.